real estate, potential clients want to know which properties you've successfully sold. Highlighting sold properties not only builds credibility, but also demonstrates your experience and results. WPResidence allows you to manage sold listings efficiently, so they can be hidden from searches or showcased selectively. I will show you how this works next. First, create a new property status, for example, closed. This status will be used to mark properties that are no longer active. Next, you will go to Team Options, Search, and select the category name you wish to use for sold listings. You can choose any status. You can keep sold listings in List or Search, or enable the option to hide them. This ensures sold listings are automatically excluded from active search results unless you want them visible. You can now mark properties as sold in two ways. The quickest method is using the one-click option from your property list, which lets you update multiple listings at once with just one click. Or you can edit individual properties and select the sold status manually from the list. By managing sold properties this way, you can keep your site up to date while also creating a record of your past sales. This is useful for clients to see your success without cluttering the active listings. If you are using MLSImport.com service, you can benefit from WPResidence functionality with just a few clicks. MLSImport allows you to import listings from your office or agent company, including all MLS statuses like active, pending, or closed. Once your listings are imported from your MLS, you can manage closed listings the same way. You can go to Team Options, Search, and hide the closed status from active listings. You can even create dedicated lists filtered by your agent ID and the sold status, letting you highlight your achievements and brag about your results without showing inactive properties to general visitors. And all this is done automatically with MLSImport. All you have to do is just select the closed status in WPResidence option. WPResidence makes it easy to manage sold properties, keeping your website organized and professional. And with MLSImport, MLS connected agents can automate the process and showcase their closed deals with just a few clicks.